Fáilte chuig rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website.
Today we're going to take a look at the hUimhreacha Neamhphearsanta, the numbers used for counting nouns. The first thing you gotta remember when you're using the hUimhreacha Neamhphearsanta is to always put the noun in the hUimhreacha, this being the singular form of the noun. After you've done that, you stick the correct hUimhreacha Neamhphearsanta before the noun. Easy! The hUimhreacha Neamhphearsanta from 1 to 10 are as follows: 1, Ain, 2, Gá, 3, Tree, 4, Cara, 5, Cuig, 6, Shay, 7, Shocht, 8, Ucht, 9, Ní, and 10, De. As always in Irish, there are a special set of rules for the different hUimhreacha Neamhphearsanta. The numbers from 1 to 6, or a Ginideach Shay, put a shayvu on a consonant or conson and don't affect a vowel or gutta. For example, Shay chácha, 6 cakes, but Gá iasc, 2 fish. 7, 8, 9 and 10 put an uru on a conson and on a gutta, like De gácha, 10 cakes, agus Shocht Niasc, 7 fish. A special rule is that when we put the words on and gá together, it changes to on dá. For example, on dá iran. One final point is that for the teen numbers, if the noun ends with a vowel, the word deag takes a shayvu. Otherwise, it remains the same. Agus sinné.